Real quick today, I'll show you on these. This is just a Yamaha Viking. It's a 2014. We're changing the oil. I've already basically started the machine and got it warm. If you crawl down here, it's fairly easy to get to your drain plug. It is going to be right here. It is a, now zoom out a little bit so you can see. It is right here. It's a size 17. All right, now that I got it loose. Oh gosh, arms. Sorry about the phone shake. So low to the ground. It's also about 36 degrees out here, so I am freezing my butt off. Good thing this oil should be warm. Whoop. All right. See how black? That's how you know you need to change your oil. Jeez Louise. It might have been why their wet clutch went out also. All right, so we're gonna let that start draining. We'll go ahead and take our dipstick out. That way it'll help it go. And then while it's draining, we'll just give it a second, and then I'm gonna clean up my hand. All right, time to put the drain plug back in. Remember, it is a size 17. And we got our new copper washer on there. I'll get started. Grab a wrench. You don't want to over tighten it, but you do want to make sure that they're snug. You can strip out these threads. And that's never good. All right, now that that's snug and tight, grab our rags. All right. All right, the next step is going to be our oil filter, which, I believe is right here actually. Okay, that might require an oil wrench. Okay, I'm put it down a little bit more. Maybe I think I'm free. There we go. Maybe I can turn it by hand now. That thing's on there tight. Also, keep in mind, I haven't changed oil in quite a while. Alright. Tell you what. The oil filter's everything you pull out, and it tells you it hasn't very much flow. Alright, new oil filter. Yeah, I think that's good. Alright, time to put the drain plug back in. Remember, it is a size 17. And we got our new copper washer on there. I'll get started. Grab a wrench. You don't want to over tighten it, but you do want to make sure that they're snug. You can strip out these threads. And that's never good. All right, so it's roughly about 2.5 quarts. We're gonna add 2 quarts first, run it for about a minute, maybe at the most, and then I'm just gonna hold that and check it, and then add from there. But it should have all the oil drained out. And it's 10W40 full synthetic is the motor oil it takes. All right.